169, I copy Italy. I'm in northern New York, very close to the Canadian border. There's a lot of QRM, but I do get you from time to time, my friend. Copy on that 169. Yeah, it's you're starting to fade. I'm probably fading myself on that, but yeah, I have a good copy on you. I'm running a Galaxy DX959 and a desk mic and an Astroplane antenna. Copy 169, I'm losing you. Great to have that contact in Italy. Thank you. First personal here is Delta Romeo Echo Whiskey. Copy. Oh, I'm getting bits, but CQDX, Northern New York, 202, we're trying. Oh, that's we're short, so let's spend a minute or two. Yeah, you can see what's happening with the skip today. Did get a contact in Italy. I believe somebody or a few people yelled back from UK and friends, but kind of hard. What happens is, especially for me, we had the snowstorm in Buffalo. I was looking at, some video from current video from Buffalo, and they've already got a foot of snow. So we, we might get a couple feet. Could happen. Could be 3 feet. I don't know, but I don't ever project it as being much more than that. So, but it is affecting reception and not in the best way. So I'll check in and out. Make it funny. She wanted for Christmas a snowblower. Well, I have a tractor and a gas-powered snowblower, but she wanted a battery-powered one. All the, yeah. So I loaded that off the truck yesterday, and that was 250 pounds on a pallet. We'll see how this goes. So I have to assemble it and get those big lithium battery, whatever they are, on charge. It's gigantic. Self-propelled. So I looked at that and said, well, okay, wow. Could have bought a brand new Yaesu or something, or who knows. And but anyway, I'm gonna buy myself a radio. I'll check back, but again, the conditions are just not what they should be. The radio's running fine for sure. I'll check back in and out, and we'll keep this one under around 5 minutes. There we go. Everybody have a great day. I'll try to get some snow pictures if you want to see them. Sometimes I don't, but we'll, we'll try to get some snow pictures. Um, that's about all I got right now, but I'm going to give it a break because it's almost headache material. Again, as we say, you all have a great day. Hope your weather is better than our weather. And if you love snow, I guess this is a place to move to. And if you're living in a nice warm area, let me know. I'll switch houses. No, um, winters are fun. You'll see. Everybody take care. Have a great day. Best wishes to you and your family. Maybe we'll catch some skip. We'll see how this goes, guys. Anyway, thanks for following. Hey, the channel, it's over 200. I forget to look. And Glenn actually reminds me, and I think we're at 220 now or something. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. And hope to get in contact with you all on the radio. Sorry, I'm tired this morning. I'm tired every morning. God's blessings to everybody. Talk to you all later. 7-3. New York 202 is on the side.